AMC stock had a pretty interesting trading day today. We gapped up, we moved higher, we fell back down, filled the gap, and we closed almost exactly where we opened. We need to talk about this because it tells us a little bit about what we might be able to expect. And I say what we might be able to expect because candlesticks are never 100% indicative of what's to come, but they do give you a glimpse as to the sentiment between the bulls and the bears. Are we buying? Are we selling? What could possibly happen next? And we need to know this because AMC's rolling right now, guys. We are back in the 40s. I hope the 40s are here to stay, and if they're not, the plan does not change. We buy, we hold, we squeeze. So let's talk about this, and of course, if it sounds like something you're interested in, let's get started. What's up, everybody? I'm Clay. I'm here to make 2021 the best year ever. If you haven't clicked that subscribe button, make sure to subscribe to the channel. Join us. Become a bro. We are here every single day, and we are growing our portfolios together. All right, and if you have not made a trade yet, you're looking for a broker, you can use the link in the description below for Webull. Super simple to set up your account. A $100 deposit, it gets you at least 2 free stocks, and a $1 crypto trade gets you at least $5 in free Shiba Inu coin right now. So make sure to check that out. Let's talk about this, guys, because today was a lot. We need to unpack it. We need to see what it means potentially for AMC continuing to run, because I know we had a lot of excitement. Let's talk about the open today. We opened, and we were doing really well towards the beginning of the day. We were up 7, 8, 9, 10%, and we were really moving higher. Why? I believe it had a lot to do with Bed Bath & Beyond announcing that they had a share repurchase program going on. And it kind of trickled down into a lot of the other meme stocks. GameStop was doing very well, AMC clearly doing very well, and that sentiment transferred over from Bed Bath & Beyond. Now, it could have been something else, but if you look at the demand and why we would have seen increased demand for these other meme stocks, that to me is what makes most sense. We saw this, we got excited about it, and it trickled down into some other investments. So that caused us to really rock it after hours yesterday. We followed through this morning pre-market, and we opened the day higher. Now from there was a gap fill. Shout out to JB. I know you're watching right now, man. JB called the gap fill on the way down. I was hoping for some continued movement to the upside. JB said, man, maybe we're going to fill this gap down here, and we did, okay? We fell back down to yesterday's close, almost to a T. It was almost a perfect gap fill, right? Fell back down, and then we steadily moved higher. During the day, we reached almost $44 per share, right in that area, and that turned out to be the exact same resistance that we saw a couple of weeks ago. So we're trading in this range right now, all right? The 44 level is a strong level of support. We've bounced off of it a couple times, and we weren't able to break through it. Does that mean that we can't break through it this week? Absolutely not. And I know a lot of options traders out there, they always come into the live stream, hey, what do you think we're going to end this or what do you think we're going to end this Friday at? I mean, honestly, I have no idea what we're going to end Friday. Always try to be optimistic, but nothing is to say that we can't bust through 44, 48, 50 by the end of the week if everybody gets excited about AMC stock. So what does this action today actually show us? Because we opened up, we went down, we went up, and we closed right where we opened. So this right here is a Doji candle. Now, I know I don't have it on the screen and you're not able to see it right at the moment, but if you would go out and you look at the daily chart for AMC, this is a perfect indication of what a Doji candlestick looks like. So what does that tell us about what's to come? Simply, a Doji candle states that the bears and the bulls fought it out, and they ended in just a dead gridlock right there. They couldn't push it. Well, during the day, we did push it higher. They pushed it lower, but we couldn't come out on top as a winner. Now, it typically may indicate that we are entering a reversal. Now, we've been moving higher. We saw that 44 was a very strong level of resistance. We got a Doji candle. If you follow candlesticks, then you could expect a little bit of a pullback tomorrow. I don't want to see anybody discouraged if we do pull back, and I don't want to see anybody thinking that this guarantees that we pull back either. It's just simply what candlesticks state. They show you the sentiment. Bulls, bears, deadlock, it just interlocked, fighting it out today, and hey, there's nothing to say that the bulls can continue to come out on top tomorrow, and the apes drive the stock price even higher. So I want to see everybody excited, because if you're excited, guess what? More people want to buy AMC. If more people want to buy AMC, the stock price goes higher. If the stock price goes higher, then the cycle continues. More people excited, more people buying, and so on. So with these levels of support and resistance in place, knowing that 44 could give us some trouble, we need a clean break. If we break through that, where are we going? We're going all the way back up to 48. 48 is notorious. 48 gave us plenty of trouble back, I don't know, it's probably been about 2 months by now. And if we break that, we've got some resistance at 52. These are the lines on the technical analysis that you can do, the lines on the daily chart that you can go out and see. Are they lines in cement or sand, whatever you want to call it? We can break them, guys. They're more of ranges, okay? If we go to 44, it doesn't have to be 44 dead on. So same thing with 48, same thing with 52. Resistance and support lines are meant to hold up. They're a great indication of what is likely to come, but not what is guaranteed to come. So knowing this, everybody wants to know, are we on the verge of the short squeeze? The excitement is there. We've got people ready to buy. The eyes are coming back on AMC stock. It leaves out one question. Are the shorts covering? When the shorts go to cover, that is the short squeeze. I've seen a lot of thumbnails on YouTube. I've seen a lot of videos saying the short squeeze has started. Liquidations are beginning. The hedge funds aren't getting liquidated at $40 per share. I know, like, it's not that hard to say. They've been at $40 per share before. They'll probably be at $40 a share again. They didn't get liquidated then. They're not getting liquidated now. But the speculation around and surrounding the excitement that is going on right now could absolutely lead to the short squeeze. Guys, excitement leads to FOMO. FOMO leads to increase in prices. Unknown rises in prices leads to a gamma squeeze. Gamma squeeze leads to increased buying pressure to cover those options. Increased buying from that leads to more excitement and potentially the short squeeze as the price continues to rise. This is not something that will take place just overnight out of nowhere. We need to see rising prices, we need to see lower volume, and we need to see external factors just putting a lot of risk on these hedge funds. And what we are seeing now is risk being added to the hedge funds. So it's all good news over here. And I want to know what you guys think down in the comments below. Are you excited about being back in the 40s and hopefully sustaining a move into the 40s? If you are, encourage the rest of us to keep those diamond hands, continue holding AMC and watching it go to the absolute moon. If this button is still red, make sure to click it, subscribe to the channel, join us, become a bro. We are here every single day and we are growing our portfolios together. If you're brand new to trading, you can use the link in the description below for Webull. Sign up, $100 deposit, get you 2 free stocks, sell them, keep them, whatever you want to do, they are your stocks. And ClayBro883 on Twitter and Instagram. Now until the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day.